Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here at Burlington looking for Christmas decor. Decor. I hope you guys enjoy. So, I got so distracted by this little print. Well, not so little, but this is really pretty, but it's so big. I don't know. Let's go back to what we came for. Well, I guess I'll show you guys a little bit of everything. But I want to go upstairs because that's where they have all the home decor. And I'm assuming all the Christmas decor is up there too. Here at my local Burlington, they have a lot of toys. Because I think people are shopping, or now are doing their Christmas shopping. And they have toys for boys on that side. On this side they have everything girls. And here we are. Oh my, they have so much cute things. I don't know where to start. Let's go on this side. So pretty. Look at the price, $10 for this cute fox. Wow, this is adorable. Wow, this reindeer, wow, $30. And it's super cute. So this is a bit more rustic glam. The trees are pretty nice. $10, not bad. So here we are. I kind of like those little trees. I can spread them out, put them, I don't know where, but I just think they're really pretty for Christmas. Look at that table. And they're not that expensive actually. Let me show you guys the price. The medium is $12.99 and the big one is $16.99. They are really, really pretty. I know so many ladies have been going bananas over this candlesticks. They're similar to the ones from Sea Gallery, I want to say. I think it was Bella Collection or something like that. They have it in red and they also have it in silver, as you guys just saw. If you're doing a white Christmas, these reindeers are gorgeous and they're only $30 each. Look how much detail they have. So beautiful. And they're facing the opposite way, so pretty much I consider this a set. This is really pretty. I kind of like it for flowers, actually, not for what it's meant to be, but for flowers. White flowers, they would look so pretty in there. Alright, you guys, I think we're done with today's video, but I want to show you guys some jewelry because the jewelry here is really pretty. I really like these earrings. Let's see the price. $99. Oh, they are so cute. Definitely my style. Alright, more earrings. Oh my, those are beautiful. And they're only $8.99, you guys.